My name is Gail Anderson. I used to like to go for walks. We went hiking a few times with girlfriends, just enjoying being outside. Well, my knees, I've had problems for a number of years. Then it got to be more and more painful, and for some reason, every move, every step I was taking, it would be like, oh, that hurts. It was frustrating. So then I started getting cortisone shots. Well, then they started not working. It wasn't any fun anymore, just to walk around the block, or you couldn't go the distances. And that was something that I enjoyed doing with friends. Every fall, like going up the hill at Holloway Hill out at Maplewood, or just enjoying that kind of thing. It was like frustrating. It was too painful to just enjoy life. I got an appointment to meet with Dr. Keene. She was just so pleasant, matter of fact, and this is how it's going to go, and this is what we do. And yes, I think we can improve what's happening with you, and just made me feel like, okay, I'm not crazy. There is really something wrong with my knees. It's not my imagination. It's literally, you can see it up on the x-rays that there is no other option for me at that time. So my first surgery, within a week, started physical therapy. And I'm like, I can't even walk. They wanted me to get out of bed the same day. And I'm like, how am I supposed to get out of bed? How am I supposed to walk? But the nurses are so nice, very supportive. And so whenever you would, you kind of get that feeling of encouragement and makes you feel good. 6 weeks of doing your physical therapy and you're feeling pretty good. And then I was ready for my second knee. And I thought, oh, do I have to go through that again? If other people are going through the same thing, I highly recommend Dr. Keene. Working at Essentia with the staff there, the physical therapy follow-up, everything about that is crucial to your recovery, and I had a very good experience with that. I recommend anyone following through on that.